Okay, my friends, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the English class. Let's continue with our writing. Okay, the objective of this class is to finish your receipt of a healthy meal. Okay, we are going to evaluate this. Remember, when you write, you need to use the vocabulary we learn and the grammar we learn. I told you on Wednesday that when you write your healthy food, to mention the ingredients, you need to use the vocabulary. For example, in the ingredients, you need to mention a glass of water or 2 glasses, maybe a glass of milk or a yogurt, or maybe not a glass, maybe a bottle. Okay, you need to tell me how much of the ingredients you will use. Okay, you need to tell me that. Now we are going to work in the procedure, in the preparation. Okay, in the procedure you need to use connectors, my friends. Connectors. Okay, and you are going to use some cooking verbs. Okay, let's practice with that. Okay, let's play with cooking verbs, because in your book, in the example from your book, the example is in the page 55. Let's go please to that. Open your books, my friends. Open your young stars. Let's go to the page 55. Let's see the example. Okay, it is in the unit 5, the project. Now pay attention here. This is the preparation, the procedure. Listen, only listen.
Module 5, Project 1. Do you like chocolate? Listen to and read a recipe for chocolate cake.
Healthy chocolate cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 cup of yogurt, 2½ cups of flour. Steps:
You see? To mention the ingredients, use the grammar, my friends. This is countable, 3. This is not countable. A cup of flour is not countable. 2 cups. Yeah, listen the preparation, the steps.
First, break the eggs into a large bowl and beat them with a mixer. Then, add the brown sugar. Next, add the butter and the yogurt. Mix very well. Then add the flour and mix it again. Finally, add the cocoa powder and mix all the ingredients together very well.
You see, these words, my friends, are the connectors. First, then, next, finally. And there is a characteristic. After a connector, the comma. First, comma. Then, comma. Next, comma. Finally, comma. Okay? Now, pay attention to these words. Break, beat, add, mix, add again, add one more time, mix one more time. You see? These are the cooking verbs. Please open your microphones, okay? We are going to use that in our procedure. Open please your microphones. Repeat. Break.
Break.
Beat.
Beat.
Add.
Mix.
Mix. Let's continue. Here we have other. Let's see. This part we have other cooking verbs. Repeat please. Put. Repeat. Put. Bake. Bake. Enjoy. Enjoy. Good, my friends. You see,
Enjoy.
Poner. Bake, hornear. Make. Enjoy, disfrutar. Enjoy. Break, this word, romper. Break the eggs. Beat, batir. Mix, mezclar. Add, añadir. Okay, my friends, let's play with that, with the cooking verbs, okay? I am going to give you this link. Please open the link, write your name and start. Okay, immediately, yeah? It's immediately. Don't wait for your classmates. This is immediately. No esperes a tus compañeros. Abre el link, pon tu nombre y haz clic en empezar. Okay? Let's go. Yes, María Paz.
Quería decirle que no había enviado el enlace, perdón.
It's in the chat. Please go to the chat. Open the link. Let's go to the chat, my friends. Go to the chat. Open the link. When you open the link, write your name and clicking empezar.
Good afternoon, teacher. Profesora, yo acabo de ingresar porque se me fue el internet un rato. ¿Qué están haciendo?
Go to the chat, please, Roderick. Open the link.
Okay, teacher.
Write your name and clicking empezar, okay? You see? It's like that. Very fast. Come on. You see? My name, clicking empezar. And one more time, empezar. Okay? Immediately, please. Click.
No me dejen. Voy a intentarlo.
Okay? The what action is this? What cooking verb is this? Mixes? Boils? Or slices? Okay?
Profe, ¿puedes
Yes,
pulsar
boils.
a quien dice Camilo, Camilo Camarena Campos? Se me sale el internet y ya no puedo.
Open again. Open again and one more time your name. Different name. Okay? Let's go, please. Go to the link. Open the link. Write your name. Clicking empezar. And one more time. Clicking empezar. 2 times. Answer, please. Finish the quiz. Yeah, let's see the results. Let's see. Excellent, Romina. You finished it. Good. Second is Julian. The rest, please finish. Ariana, Camilo, Maria Paz, Jose Gabriel, finish, please. Maria, Eduardo, finish. Answer. Alan, open the link. Come on. Adrian is here.
Teacher, yo ya terminé.
Yes, Gustavo.
Profe, ya terminé.
Okay, my friends, help me very fast, okay? Look at here. What is the number 1? What is the correct cooking verb? Tell me. Okay, boys, girls, open your microphones. Tell me, what is the correct cooking verb?
Boils.
Boils. Yeah, very good. Boils. Boils means hervir, okay? Boils. This other.
It's in the
Break.
break.
Hey, very good. Break that.
Profe, nos va a ganar a todos.
This
It's in the
slice, okay? Slice.
slice.
It's similar to cut, okay? Cut the vegetables, slice the vegetables, similar. The next, what is this?
Fry.
Very good. Fry.
Right.
Okay. Oh, come on, hurry up. Yeah, this, what action is this?
It's in the
Peel. Pelar, okay? Peel. Oh, come on. This no. Yeah, tell me, what verb is this?
Spray.
Yeah.
Spray, teacher, spray.
Yes, esparcir. Claro. Spread. This?
In the
Bake.
bake.
Hornear, okay? Bake. This?
Mix.
Mix. Very good. Mix. And this? Very good. Add. Añadir. Add. Okay, my friends, that is the cooking verbs, okay? Now, please, let's continue with your writing, okay? Remember, use these connectors. First, then, next, then, finally. And also the cooking verbs. Break the eggs. Mix. Beat. Add. Okay, use that, please, to mention in the procedure. Yeah, let's work now. Open, please, your links, my friends. Open your links and let's work in your writing.
Teacher, ¿podría revisarme mi writing? Porque creo que están todos los verbos que aprendimos.
Yeah, I'm going to open your writing, okay, Maria Paz? Give me a minute. The rest, please, open your links. Let's work in your writing. You need to finish, okay? The next class you are going to present.
Teacher, ¿me podría enviar mi link? ¿Me podría enviar mi link?
Yeah, pay attention.
Teacher, yo ya lo terminé.
A ver, chicos, los que hemos terminado, revisa que en tu procedimiento aparezca first, then, next, after, finally, the connectors. Okay? Revisa que tenga conectores. And also some action, some cooking verbs. Okay? Let's work with that. Si necesitas tu link, mándame un mensaje por el chat. ¿Ya? Porque cuando tú me dices, teacher, mi link, yo no sé quién es el que está hablando. No me aparece en Zoom quién te habla. Cuando me envías mensaje, yes. It's possible. Okay, Adriana. Please open your links, let's work. Eduardo, Genesis, Ariana, go to the chat. The link is there. Let's work, my friends. Let's work. Rodrigo, your link is in the chat.
Mi ingrediente, pero creo que se borró.
Let's work. Okay, Maria Paz, I'm going to open your file, okay? Let's see. Also tell me please in the chat if you finish to check your writing. Fernanda and Maria Paz, no, let's see. 5B. Oh, 5B, no, 5C. Okay, Maria Paz and Fernanda. Chicos, como mínimo debes completar los pasos que están en tu formato. Dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ese es como mínimo. 5. Okay, no 2, no 3, no. 5. 5 steps. Okay. Okay, Maria Paz, your recipe is pancake sun. It looks delicious.
It's so delicious, teacher.
Yeah, let's see the ingredients. But I guess the name is Sam Pancakes. Change the position.
Some,
Yes, I get it. Sam Pancakes.
okay, teacher.
It's similar like chocolate cake, you see? You change the position. Okay, a little of butter, half of glass, 2 eggs.
Teacher, me dice cuando entra el link, dice, Offices online service aren't invalid right now.
Adrián, only complete your writing, boy. Continue working.
No, teacher, me aparece eso cuando lo abrí. Ahora, profe, ahora ya no. Lo cerré y lo volví a entrar.
Okay, yeah, that's the solution, you see? If it doesn't work, close, and then you open a new one. First, we melt a little bit of butter in the pan. But that's good, Maripaz, it's good. It's a nice recipe. Now practice, please, okay? To present on, not Monday, because on Monday, you know, it's holiday, yeah? We don't have classes on Monday. On Wednesday.
But teacher, yo ya practiqué, ya estaba lista para presentar hoy.
Yeah, give me a minute, okay, Maripaz? I'm going to check some words and then you present. Let's see.
Okay.
Eduardo and Veronica, your link. Let's see. Chocolate cake, yeah. Fernanda,
Yes, teacher.
Fernanda, hay que usar los conectores, ¿ya? Esas palabritas.
Okay, teacher.
Here's, comma, in a bowl. Then, comma, add milk. Next, comma, bake. Then, comma, finally, comma, glass the cake. You see, the connectors, okay? Add the connectors. Y lo otro,
Okay,
Fernanda,
teacher.
lo otro. Si vas a poner los ingredientes así muy específicos, también tienes que saber cómo leerlos en inglés.
¿Me puedes mandar el link de mi
Okay. Wait a minute, please, my friend.
Yes, teacher. Yo también estaba practicando porque
Esto de
creí
acá.
que hoy día íbamos a presentar.
¿Cómo se lee esto de acá? A half cup. Okay, a half. Esta es otra palabra. Esa es half. The same here. 1.5. 250 grams. Tablespoon. Okay. Si van a usar algunas palabras, tengan cuidado de cómo se lee eso en inglés. Because it's different. Okay, be careful in that. But it's good for now.
Okay,
It's good.
teacher.
This is good.
Voy a practicar también, teacher, para que me salga bien porque tengo 3 días para practicar porque el lunes va a ser
Yeah.
feriado.
Okay, my friends, let's see. Romina, link is in the chat here.
Profe, el mío, Ethan.
Oh, Ethan.
Thank you, teacher.
No problem here. Let's see. Woman.
Teacher, finish.
It's in the chat. Check it, okay? Okay, who else finished? Who else? Eduardo, you finished, no, Eduardo? Julián.
Ya el profesor está practicando todo el día.
Okay, Eduardo, I'm going to check your writing too, okay? Julián and Eduardo, espera. In the chat, please tell me, okay? If you don't have your link, tell me in the chat. Teacher, my link, please, to give you. Okay, Maria Paz, are you ready? Share, please.
Profesor, ¿puede ser después de María Paz?
Okay, teacher. I'm going to present.
Yeah, it's okay, go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. I am the chef Maria Paz, and I'm going to present my writing about one recipe. Let's prepare pancakes some pancakes. These are the ingredients. A little of butter, exactly 75 grams. 1/2 of glass of milk, exactly 200 milliliters. A glass of flour, exactly 175 grams. 2 eggs, 1 spoon of sugar, a little of baking powder, exactly 2 teaspoons, many strawberries, 1 banana, 12 blueberries, and some chocolate syrup.
Profesor, teacher, en mi receta es como que en 3 pasos, entonces usted dijo de que hagamos en 5 pasos. ¿Lo puedo hacer en 3 pasos o lo alargo?
5, my friend, 5. 5 steps. Continue, please, Maria Paz.
Are the steps for the recipe. First, we melt a little bit of butter in the pan. Then we melt the rest of the butter in a microwave oven. Second, we mix the melted butter with the milk, the flour, break the 2 eggs and add the baking powder and the sugar. Use a blender to mix very well. Third, we use the pan where we have some melted butter and we pour as much as we can of our mix into the pan. Fourth, we leave the pancake cook for 40 seconds, then we turn it around for another 40 seconds and it is ready. We do the same with the rest of the mix. Finally, decorate your pancakes as a picture. Use the strawberries, the blueberries, and the chocolate syrup. Thanks you.
Teacher, perdón, estaba
That's
mi laptop.
nice.
No escuché que María Paz está exponiendo, perdón.
What's nice, Maria Paz? Your writing and it was very good. Okay, Eduardo, please check your writing, okay? I put some words in red color to check. When you say cook the pizza, the correct cooking verb, Eduardo, is bake. Bake to cook pizza, Eduardo. How much time do you need to cook in the microwave? A ver, chicos, ¿cuántos minutos se cocina una pizza en el microondas? ¿Saben? Do you know?
5, profesor.
2 minutos.
5.
2 minutes? It's not.
Creo que
It's not enough.
A nadie. 5 minutos.
6 minutos.
It's not enough. 5 minutes? No,
Minutes.
not enough.
4 minutes.
7,
No,
yes. 7,
Seven.
or up to 7, 8, 10.
Patata minus.
Depends, okay? But 2 minutes? No, it's not. It's not okay in 2 minutes. It's not ready in 2 minutes.
No, profesor.
It's more than that. Okay? It's more than that. Check, please, okay? Some also use connectors, Eduardo, please, in your writing.
Y el profesor sí usa los
And
conectores.
write commas, remember. First, comma. Then, comma. Next, comma. This is a rule. Finally, comma. Okay, my friends, continue, please, with your writing.
Profesor, pero eso tiene en coma.
Profesor, ¿puede revisar mi reporte? Pues ya lo terminé.
Okay, Veronica, I'm going to check.
Claro, hay modelos.
Ethan, open your link, my friend. Let's work. It's in the chat, your link.
Sí, profe, estoy entrando desde la computadora, profe. Está lento, profe, mi computadora.
Yeah, if you had problems in the afternoon, please, you need to finish. Because the next class you are going to present. Okay? So you must finish now. Dana, come on, Dana, Baltasar, let's work. The same, Adriana, Dana Alegre. Let's work, girls. Camila Contreras, the same, Camila. Let's work. La última vez que has abierto tu archivo, Camila, es el miércoles. Let's work here. The same, Valeria. Let's work here. Valeria. Alan.
Profesor,
Open your links. You need to work in that. Yeah, give me a minute, Valeria, okay? I'm going to check. Sorry, Veronica. I'm going to check your writing. Give me a minute. Let's see. Casa. Oh.
Teacher, ¿podría revisar mi PowerPoint, please?
Okay, Gonzalo. Give me a minute.
profesor, ¿el mío también lo puede revisar?
But I check it, Eduardo. Huh? You need to check all the red words. Let's see, Veronica. Come on. Come on, my internet's not working. Only the name here. Let's see. Veronica, the ingredients are good, are okay. Let's see the procedure, okay? Yeah, it's okay, Veronica.
Teacher, ¿puede revisar el mío, Taxa?
Give me a minute, my friend. Dana Baltasar. Dana.
Profesor, ¿el mío está bien?
Sí, estaba bien. It's okay, Veronica.
Ok, profesor, gracias. ¿Mi reporte de mí está bien?
Practice, please, okay? Practice because you need to present the next class on Wednesday. Give me a minute, okay, Ariana? Adriana, then Gonzalo, and Adrián, no, at the class. Yeah, let's see. Ariana, please, the letter is too small. Complete, a little bit bigger, please. Some tomatoes. How many cucumbers? 1, 2, 3, 4? Mention, please, tell me. The same like lettuce, the same in lemon, and the salt. How much salt? 1 cup? 1 tablespoon? A little? Okay, you need to tell me how much.
Okay, teacher.
Ariana, when you use the connectors, is first, comma, wash the vegetables. And then, comma, okay, after the connector, we need to use comma. This is the rule.
Teacher.
Adriana, you're not working, Arellano. Come on, let's work, Adriana. Dana Alegre, the same Dana.
Es que estaba cargando, profesor.
In the afternoon here, you need to finish, you need to work. Because if you didn't finish the next class, what recipe you are going to present? Some Greek yogurt, yeah, half cup of almond milk. Yeah, it's good, the ingredients, Gonzalo.
Teacher, acabo de hacer lo de los ingredientes porque no sé qué pasó que se borró.
Tienes que esperar aquí que guarda. Aquí arriba dice guardado.
Yes, teacher, casi, el miércoles en casi toda la hora de clase he estado esperando, pero me había parecido guardado, así que lo cerré, lo volví a abrir y no estaba.
Es your internet, I guess. Okay, cuando demora mucho en guardarlo o no guarda bien es el internet. Yogurt, H. This is with H, okay, my friend? H. This is British English with H. With no H is American English. In your book
Okay,
appears
teacher.
H. In your book is with H. Okay, so let's use the book.
Profesor, ya terminé de corregir. ¿Me puede revisar?
Yeah, it's okay, Gonzalo. Your writing is good. In order, okay, my friends? Adrian says before. Adrian, please, the pictures of your ingredients, pictures, okay? And when you say many tomato, it's not possible. It's in plural. Many is for plural. Many tomatoes. Okay? Some cheese is not possible, Adrian. Only some. Some
Teacher,
cheese.
actualice. Ay, no,
Okay? And the procedure, please, a little bit bigger, the letters. Kitchen.
Profe, ¿puede revisar mi composición?
Sorry, my friends. In class, it's not possible, okay? I'm going to check in the weekend. Because it's